everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, I just write the code for the user home part of my online shopping project. If you are not seen that video, just go to the description and check out the link. In this video, I'm going to write the code for this my cart. So let us start. Let me open the IDE here and the header. First, we are going to connect our page with mycart.jsp page. Okay. So here in this, we just need to write my cart.jsp page. Let's save this and refresh this page. Okay, and after that let's click on my cart. Okay, we are not able to move in this page. Here you can see now we have to write the code for this. So let's minimize this and let's move to the my cart first. Okay, and the first thing is we need to do is we just need to copy this 4 lines in this page, so that our header, footer and color all is visible. So let's refresh this again, and here you can see we are able to see the all the messages which we have, and we can see the table and all. Okay, let's minimize this, and here we will move to the line number 20, and here we will set one by one the condition to display the message. So first so let's start with that. Okay, and here the first thing is we just need to get the message. So string msg is equals to request dot get parameter. Okay, and here we just need to write msg in double msg. Okay, and after that if not possible dot equals, and here we just need to write msg, and we have to start the bracket. Okay, after the closing the bracket we have to just close this. Okay, so this message is visible when we are getting the in this we will get not possible message. Okay, after that just copy this part and again paste it here and just delete this. Okay, after that here we have to write just inc message increment inc message, and after that we just need to copy this again here. So after that this message is visible whenever we getting the inc increment, and after that we just need to copy this again and paste it here. So after that we have to change this to dec decrement. Okay, after that we also need to close this, so I'm just copying this here. Okay, after that at last we having a option to remove, so we also need to remove display the message. So here we have to write removed. Okay, after that we just need to close this here. Now let's refresh this page. You can see all the messages get removed from here. Okay, we are getting error. I think we did not close something. So let's check in the console what we are getting the error. I don't think we are getting let's refresh this. Okay, it's working. Okay, now I think this is not saved, that's why it's showing that. Not a problem, we refresh this, it's automatically the error get removed. Now from line number 47 we will write the code for this. Okay, so first try catch block we have to write here, try catch. Okay, so before just write here exception e. Okay, I don't think we need to write the exception first. Just leave this for just leave it for now. Now here we will declare few variables. So here int total is equals to 0, and one more variable we are going to use here as serial number is equals to 0. Okay, after that we are going to create the connection here, connection con equals to connection provider. Okay, provider dot get con. Okay, after that we have to create the statement st equals to con dot create statement. After that we have to use result set result set rs1. Here I'm taking name as st.execute query. Okay, and in this we just need to write the query to get total amount which we have to display here, total. Okay, and here we just need to write select sum, and in between here we just need to write total. Okay, after that from cart where email is equals to in single double, okay, plus email, and address should be null. It means that that product is not placed, order is not placed for that. That's why we are using address is null. After that we have to write while rs1 dot next. Okay, and in this we just need to calculate the total. So total is equals to rs1 dot get int. Okay, and in this we just need to write the column 1. Let's save this and let's refresh here. So we will get some value here. Okay, we did not displaying the value here, so first we need to display that. In here we have to display that. Okay, so let's move a little bit here, and here we just need to write out dot print ln, and in this we just need to write total. Okay, let's save this and refresh this. Here you can see the total amount is visible. I think we did little bit left, right? Okay, so just copy this total, delete this, and just copy here. Okay, so it should be after this icon, you can say. Now it's looking. Now we have to display here the details. Before that we also need to hide and remove this proceed to order if total should be less than 0. So in that case here we have to write the code. Okay, and here we have to write the condition if total is 0. Okay, and here in that case we just need to display. So if after that we just need to close this, also need to close the brackets. Okay, and in href we just need to write the address where this will send. So we already have a page, so address payment for order, this page we need to send the response to this page. So I'm just writing address payment for orders dot JSP page. Okay, it's okay. Now just move a little bit down, and one more thing, just delete this part from here. Just delete this catch block from here because we also need to use this. Okay, after that we just need to move to the line number 78 here, and here we have to write the codes. Okay, so just need to start the bracket again, and after that we have to use result set rs equals to st.execute query, and in between we just need to write the query to display all the product. So select star from product inner join cart on product dot id is equals to cart dot product id. Okay, and cart dot email is equals to we already have an email. Okay, so we are going to use that email variable in header, so we are going to use the email. Okay, and after that at the end we also setting the condition. So cart dot address is null. Okay, it should be null. So let's check it out, this select star from product inner join cart on product ID cart, okay, and cart dot email and the, okay, and at the end we also need to put the semicolon. After that, move to the next line, okay, and after that here we have to write while rs dot next, okay, and we have to start the bracket here, and still we are getting, okay, that error will get removed because we are not using here catch, okay. After that, here we just need to like increment the serial number every time. So SNO SNO plus 1 incrementing here, okay. After this we just need to do is we just need to display this value out dot print ln, and here we just need to write SNO serial number, okay. After that, we have to display one by one value to every column. So just need to write here this equals to rs dot get string, okay, get string, yeah, string 2, and after just copy this and paste it here, and here we just need to write 3, okay. After that, here we just need to write 4, okay, and after that in this the next is the 4, I think. This one is price. After that, we have to display the quantity. So here we also need to pass some value, just increment and decrement. So before that, just need to display here. We just need to paste this, and here we just need to change this to 8. Okay, just follow this sequence. Okay. After 8, the next is for the 10. Here just need to write here 10th column, and after that the last we have to remove. So for that we have to put the in the UR in href, right? We have to write the code. So for now, just leave that. First we will close this and display the values which we are getting or not. So just to start this, okay. So first we are going to close for the loop. After that we are closing for result set. After that we are closing for catch, oh sorry, try. So after that, catch, and okay. After that, here we just need to write exception, okay. So still we are getting error, just delete this one, okay. Now error get removed, okay, okay, we already have, okay. Now let's move here and let's refresh this page. So now we are able to see the everything, like product 1 we having 2, price total, price is this, and total is this, and price this, subtotal is this, and we are also getting the plus and minus. We can increase or decrease the product. For now this is not working, so we have to write the code for this, okay. So let's start. Let me minimize this and again move it here, and in here you can see a href. So here we have to create a page before that first. So in the web content, right click on that and go to the new JSP page, and here we just need to write INC DEC increment decrement quantity. We are creating a page quantity action. Just copy this, okay. After that, click on finish. Okay, page has been created. Just delete this all and just again move to the my cart, paste it here. After that we have to write .jsp, okay. After that we have to question mark and id equals to, and we have to just pass the value, so for that okay, equals to rs dot get string. So we have to pass the value, that one is 1. So 1, okay, the first one is for, I think, id. That's let's check it out, the data. Actually, according to this query, the first one is for the product id. That's why we are writing using this product get string 1, Okay, we are passing this with ID. Let's save this and let's check it out here. Let's refresh this. Okay, and let's here you can see in the left side, here you can see we have 1 ID, 2 and 3. Okay, let's minimize this again and move it here. After that, with like we are sending this, and one more thing we just need to send here is we also want to send the quantity should be increase or decrease. So we also and quantity t is equals to inc increment. Okay, we just going to copy the same line, just copy this same line, and we have to paste it here. Just paste this, sorry again, we just paste it here. After that, here we just write to dec decrement. So this could be changed in our URL. So let's refresh this and let's check it out. When the cursor in plus is showing that increment. Okay, and when okay, decrement, you can see in the left side and right you can see inc increment. Okay, let's minimize this, and one more page we have to create here for remove. Okay, so let's create JSP page here and rename it as remove from cart. Okay, and let's read this all, and let's again move here, and here we just need to write here remove from cart.jsp page, and we also need to pass the ID to delete that. So this should be like this, and rs equals to rs.get string, this one, and here we have to pass 1. Okay, so let's refresh this and let's again see that yeah, we have ID 1. Okay, we forget to write equal sign, so that could be cause issue, so just write equal sign. Okay, now in this we can almost we done for this my cart. Now we have to write the course for this. This is important part of this project. So first we have to copy 2 lines from this this one. Just copy this, paste it here, and we also need in this page, so I'm also copying this here. After that we have to start this bracket, and after that we have to take the values. So first we are going to take the value of email address from the session attribute dot get attribute here, and here we just need to write email, and the value should be in the form of a string. Okay, and after that we are taking a id equals to request dot get parameter, and here we just need to write the id, and after that we have to write a string inc increment dec decrement equals to request dot get parameter, and here we are taking it as quantity. Okay, and after that here we just need to write int price is equals to 0. After that int total is equals to 0. After that we are taking one more variable, int quantity is equals to 0, and after that final total is equals to 0. Okay, we are going to use this variable in this okay. After that here we have to write the try catch block, try catch, and here we just need to write exception. Okay, and here in this we just need to write connection con equals to connection provider class. Okay, I think we just need to use connection provider class. After that get con. Okay, after that we have to create the statement st equals to con dot create statement. After that we have to use result set to select result set, this one, rs equals to st dot execute query, this one, and after that we have to write the query. So select start from cart where email is equals to single, okay, double, okay, plus email. After that we also need to put a semicolon at the end, email, and product ID is equals to single, double, plus ID, okay. After that one more condition we have to add, and address is null, okay. And after that we have to move to the next line, and here we have to write while rs dot next, okay. And here we have to move a little bit down, price is equals to rs dot get, and the form of int we are taking it as int. After that from 4 we are getting this, save this, total equals to rs dot get int. So we are taking it from 5 column, okay. Actually I already checked this all, so just follow the video. We following the correct sequence here. Quantity equals to rs dot get int, and the column is third, okay. After that we set the values from this. After that we have to check the few conditions. If quantity is equals to equals to 1 in that, and that should be increment, sorry, decrement, inc dec, we have a variable dot equals, and here we have to value the dec. It means that we are not able to like decrement, so in that case we just need to send that message to first page, not possible. So here we have to write my cart dot jsp question mark msg and equals to not possible, okay. After that we have to close this, and here after that we have to use else if condition. If quantity is not equals to 1, and we have to inc dot equals, and here we have to write dec. In that case we just need to decrement or update. So just start the bracket, and in between we have to write total is equals to total minus price. We have to decrement the value from total. After that we also need to decrement the quantity, so quantity minus 1, okay. After that we have to execute this update in our database. So execute update this one, and in this we just need to write the query, okay. So update cart set total is equals to single, okay, and double, and plus, okay. First close the semicolon, and after that here we just need to write total, okay. And after that here we have to write quantity t equals to single, double, plus. Here we have to write again quantity, okay. And we have to use where clause email is equals to, and here we have to single, double again, plus email, okay. And product id is equals to single, double, plus and id, here we have to pass. And at last one more condition, and address is null, okay. Let me show you the complete query again. Update cart set total equals to total, quantity equals to quantity, where email and product id is equals to this, and product and address is null, okay, at the end. Now let's move, let me send the response to, let's copy this line of the code and just delete this and paste it here. and here just write the message that DEC decrement successfully almost done. Okay, after that the next is our else condition. So else, okay, and I think almost this both are same, so we just need to copy this line of the code here, and we just need to change this to plus. Okay, and just delete this to the plus, and here we just need to change the message to INC increment, and if any error occur, in that case we just need to display system out dot print ln, and here we just need to write e. Okay, let's refresh this page and let's check it out, it's working fine or we are getting any error. So let's click on okay plus. Okay, we are getting an error. Okay, it should be the capital, my cart should be in the capital, so we are sending a response to some other page, so every place I have to make it as capital C. Okay, one more place I think I forget, yeah, my cart, and it should be my cart. Okay, now let's get back here, let's refresh this page again, and let's increase this. Okay, here you can see quantity increased successfully. Let's decrease this. Quantity decreased successfully. Let's decrease this one more. Okay, message change does not change. Okay, now we have only one product. Let's decrease this one. There is only one quantity, so click on remove. So it's working fine, I think. Yeah, it's working fine. Now let's we have to write the code to remove this. So let's again move here, and we have to write the code. So we have to move to the remove from cart. Okay, let's start with this. Okay, and here we have to take the value as email from, okay, string equals to email equals to session dot get attribute, second option, email dot to string. Okay, and after that we have to write a string product id is equals to request dot get parameter, this one, and here we have id with name id. Okay, after that again we have to write the try catch block and all. Try, we have to catch, and if any exception generated, in that case exception. Okay, so here we also need to write system dot out dot print ln, and in between e semicolon. Okay, and in try block we just need to write connection con equals to connection provider class dot get con here semicolon. After that we have to use results statement st equals to con dot create statement st dot execute update, and in between this we have to write the query. So delete from cart where email is equals to single double plus plus email. Okay, and product id is equals to single double plus plus product id same, and after that and address is null. Okay, this condition should be there, and after that we also need to send the response to the first page, you can say the cart page, my cart page, response dot send redirect, and in between we have to write my cart dot jsp with the question mark msg equals to remove. Okay, let's save this, and now I think we are done with this my cart part. So let's check it out, it's working fine or not. Let's refresh this page and let's click on this remove. Here you can see that raw is also get removed and product successfully removed, we are getting the message also. Let's remove this and let's remove this also. And you can see automatically the total is 0, as well as proceed to order is also get removed. Let's check it again, it's working fine or not. Add to cart. Let's move to the my cart and let's increment this. Quantity increase, total is also calculating. This working fine. Decreasing, it's also working fine. And we are also getting the proceed to order part. So this is all about my cart. In the next video we are going for the proceed to order part. Okay, I hope you guys like this video, so please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.